All right, friends. Now, shall we go to the next concept? The next concept is how do you value a bond? Friends, in my mastery book, you can always do a self-reading also, and you have a QR code there. So if you scan that also, my video will start playing, and that will also explain to you how to value a bond. Okay. Right now, I will just take a very simple example and explain to you. Even before I go ahead to explain to you how to value a bond, let me ask you a very simple question. You would have already studied the basics. In the basics, I taught you one thing, how to value any asset. Tell me, friends, how do you value any asset? Value of any asset is nothing but it is the present value of future cash flows that the asset can actually generate. Friends, exactly in the same manner, value of a bond is also nothing but it is the present value of future cash flow that the bond can generate. Nothing but the present value of future cash flows which the bond can generate. So friends, what are the future cash flows in case of a bond? In order to understand that, we need to first understand what are the different types of bond. So tell me, friends, what are the different types of bond? You have a regular bond, correct? Then you have a zero coupon bond. Then you have a perpetual bond. Now, friends, in case of a regular bond, you will have a limited life. You will have a redemption value. You will also have a coupon price. So can I say in case of regular bond, the value of a bond is nothing but it is the present value of coupon payment that you receive along with present value of whatever is the redemption value that you are generating over there. Everybody clear? What about in case of zero coupon bond? In zero coupon bond, do you have any coupon? No. So will you have a present value of coupon? No. Here it will be only what? It will be the present value of redemption value. Everybody clear with this part? Now what about perpetual bond? Perpetual bond means what? These bonds are issued towards perpetuity. So if these bonds are issued towards perpetuity, will they have a life? No, they will not have life. But they will have coupon every year. So can I say over here it is nothing but it is present value of coupon payments forever. Is everybody clear with this part now? So this is how we value a bond. Okay. I don't want to keep my videos very lengthy because students might not be able to comprehend in that good pace. So make this notes, whatever notes I'm giving you, take a pen, write down all these notes in your books because once you write with your hands, you get very strong impression. Everybody clear? After this, in the next video, I will give you 2 examples for regular bond. Then I'll give you the next video after that 2 examples for zero coupon bond. Then in the next video 2 examples for perpetual bond. Like that, once we do it, it will become very, very easy for all of you to learn each of these things separately. Okay. So let me summarize once again. Value of a bond is nothing but present value of future cash flows. Now, what will be the future cash flow will depend on situations, whether it's a regular bond, zero coupon bond or perpetual bond. Thank you so much, friends.